It's the first day
Got it? Push, push, push.
of Miss Candy's preschool class.
You are making it really long.
At Altera Elementary, the early childhood special education teacher has some help.
Oh, so important.
2 paraeducators
Oh, gentle.
control the chaos.
Some of our kiddos are special needs, so they need that extra support.
We need all hands on deck when you're working with 3- and 4-year-olds.
Yet nearly 24 positions remain unfilled, leaving a hole for special needs students from preschool to high school.
It makes it a little bit more chaotic in the classroom, right, as far as managing and making sure everybody has their needs met.
Canyon School District is not unique. Fox 13 found paraeducators are needed in classrooms from Moab to Wendover.
They could schedule mornings or afternoons and still work while they're going to college.
Canyons is thinking ahead, partnering with the University of Utah to offer college credit for peer tutors to entice high school students to become educators.
We have a huge shortage in teaching, in the teaching profession, and especially in special education nationwide.
You sing for me.
After 17 years as a stay-at-home mom, Miss Candy entered the classroom first as a paraeducator.
Let's hear ya.
That's what started it, and I absolutely loved it.
Now she relies on them,
A car.
giving special needs students the attention he or she deserves.
You're gonna move them? Okay.